All right, this is the installation of a WIF Indicator kit. This is the Raycor version, it's orange. These are the parts we'll be installing on this Raycor assembly here. Very common assembly, the S3227. This is the Sierra version. These are all the parts we'll be installing on the Sierra clear bowl filter. First thing we're going to install is the filter base spacer up here. We're going to bring the filter off the bulkhead or off the back wall a little bit. You'll notice there's no space behind the filter. If you're trying to use a standard strap wrench for any maintenance, you'll notice the strap wrench will not go up to where you can actually remove the filter comfortably. We recommend you first and foremost mark out the current filter base where it's located, because you're going to put the spacer in the exact same position. Go ahead and remove the existing base. If it's an existing system, hopefully your fuel lines will do as they do here and hold your filter close by nicely in place. Next, you're going to grab your spacer, and you'll notice this screw in the middle of the spacer. That is your mounting screw. Self-tapping stainless steel screw. You'll put the spacer exactly in the same spot that your filter base was located, and you'll drive the mounting screw to hold the spacer in place. At that point, you can put your filter generally back up in position. These were the original mounting screws. We're going to be putting longer mounting screws for accommodate the added depth with the spacer. We're going to reinstall the filter onto the base. Get those snugged up well. You'll notice it's firm. You have tons of space behind the filter, and we'll use that space right now to remove the bottom clear bowl to facilitate the next step. And removing the clear bowl, the next thing we'll be doing is installing the two filter parts. The first one you'll install is the indicator, and then we'll install directly in the center of that filter tube there. You can lightly press it to seat it. The second part you'll be installing is the green float ring. Make sure the flange is on the top, and you'll install that around the center tube. Make sure your O-ring stays in place and reinstall the clear bowl. Snug it firmly by hand, and we're on to the last step. The last step of the process is to conveniently mount your drain bottle that you'll be using on the filter occasionally with the C-clip mount. Identify the location and use the two self-tapping stainless steel screws to install. We're going to install one. Install the second screw. It's nice and firm. To install the bottle on the C-clip, you'll align the bottom of the funnel with the C-clip and simply push in. The bottle will fall down for secure mounting. To remove the bottle, grab it anywhere and just pull it out. Real simple. To remove contaminants in the filter, you'll take the drain bottle and you'll push it onto the drain. You'll open it, and you can observe the contents from the filter flowing into the bottle as it fills. When you close it, be mindful not to over-tighten these seals. Once they touch, I recommend another half a turn maximum.